Maybe this was where they had the community. Maybe this was a tent community at a time. They do be making a move every couple months.
Yeah, because this is so disrespectful to the forest. I'm sorry. There's tents down there. We down there. Outside the edge, y'all. We checking in today. Oh, it's gated off though. Whoa. Water. What the fuck? I don't know, but we about to lightly back about this joint here. What the fuck? Oh yeah, come on, we out. Yeah, we ain't even we gonna let them live in peace and harmony and all that. We ain't even about to interrupt none of that.